Guys, welcome back to my channel.
Hello!
I'm here with Brittany. I'm so excited.
She made it to Oregon!
I did. You guys will probably most likely see my first vlog for this, but I'm going to be vlogging while I'm here. So, she's so sweet and got me a birthday present. Because if you guys did not know, October 4th was my birthday. And I'll show you guys what. But this is all the stuff. She's just so sweet. Oh my god, I see a few things that I'm so excited about already.
Hi, kitty cat.
And how cute her kitty. Which one is this one named?
This is Mira Jane.
Mira Jane.
The other one is Noir.
I don't know where she's at.
Right,
Oh, there she is. Hi. You say hi. You guys are so pretty. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys what she got me.
Scoot over.
Okay.
God.
Oh, this hair.
Yeah, mine's really frizzy. It's
You're
cool.
so
We're
cute.
purple though. We match.
We are.
Kind of.
When we have you have a shaved head on one side, it just looks so funny in certain angles. That's why I don't know. My hair just looks nuts.
It does not look nuts. You look
It just
fine.
looks yuck. It just looks yuck. So
Alright, chime down in the comments. Tell her she doesn't look yuck because she doesn't.
It just looks yuck.
Ma'am.
I've been on a plane, so psh. Okay, first off, we have some fresh herb tea, which I'm freaking excited about. Has peppermint, chamomile. Ooh. Matt drinks through the chamomile like
Ooh.
crazy, so ooh. Detox. Have you ever tried the detox one? I'm kind of curious about that one. Ooh, and then this one is specifically my favorite.
Yeah?
Yes. I
The
love
berry
flavored teas. Yeah, these are
I know you're trying
perfect
to get
for
into teas,
nighttime. Yes. These I love mixing with lemonade. So,
There you go.
if you guys...
So you have to open the one with the ribbon on it now.
This
First
one.
No, those two are last. This one.
This
one. This one.
This one!
No,
Look
sorry, the
how
one with
cute
the
this
ribbon.
wrapping paper is.
I love it. I thought it was cute. Open it the other way. It's upside down. Yeah.
Oh,
It makes a difference how you open it. Sorry.
Ooh,
I don't want it to fall apart.
Oh my god!
Look at those things, too.
So pretty!
That was really cute.
Oh my goodness, look how gorgeous that is!
So she was trying to get into tea,
Yeah, I need my specific... I need to start doing my Tea Talk Tuesday videos again. And this is perfect. Because I really only drink a little bit of
I know.
tea.
I know.
So these cups are perfect. I never really thought of that. Because I've seriously I'll make myself a whole cup of tea and I'll drink 3 sips and I'm done. So this is perfect. Look at you. And she actually collects. You have your own little collection.
I do. I'll have to go
Yes.
show you. I have one that has I don't know if that's just a design, but it looks like little skulls and they're so
That is
cool.
And I
love
actually
them.
so we're doing a spooky box swap. That'll be up on her channel, so go check it out.
Yeah.
It'll already up, so I'll link it above. But I was actually looking to get you a spooky set, but
That's awesome.
they get expensive.
Yes.
But I have one saved.
Yes, they are.
Yes, I have one saved that hopefully one day I'll get to you. Is there a specific one that I have to open up next? No.
Just leave those two for last.
Okay.
And that big box goes right before those two.
Okay.
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 Ooh, Lush Ocean Salt Face and Body Scrub. What? Oh. That brings back memories. I used to have something from Bath and Body Works just like this in high school. Oh my god, it's one of the cute little samples. And plus, we're going to be going to Lush soon. So I'm excited.
It's so exciting.
Angels on bare skin?
Mm-hmm.
What? This is a cleanser?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa. Okay. I mean, of course it is not the most amazing scent, but it's
It's supposed to
an
be for
all
sensitive skin.
natural. Yeah.
One.
It's kind of a chunky. Which I love the fact that you get me samples like this because I love seeing if I like something. If I actually... How many samples can you get when you go there?
I don't know, 5. My cat's
Totally.
trying to walk
Sorry.
around. Sorry.
Okay, next up we're opening this one. Oh! Oh my gosh. I totally almost got myself this at TJ Maxx.
Yeah, did
Yes.
you?
No. It was telling you something not to.
I know. We keep. I'm stop shopping for yourself. I kept wanting to give you those Halloween bath bombs.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Ma'am. I was like, oh my
get
god. Stop shopping for yourself.
Oh my gosh. Is this a peel-off mask?
I don't
Or
know.
no? Is it a gel
It's
mask?
a gold gel mask.
It doesn't look like it's a peel-off, which is, reduces fine lines, wrinkles, 15 minutes. So that's what it looks like. I'm just looking at it and not showing you guys. But I'm excited. Because if you guys didn't know, if you didn't know, obviously you're new to my channel, but
yes,
if you're not new here, you know I love face masks. And oh my gosh. First off, I've been wanting to try this stuff for so fucking long. Did you know that? You're
Yes.
like, duh.
I didn't want to buy you a big one if you weren't going to like it.
I
So
know.
I was like, let me buy you a little sample one first, and if you like it, you can get a big one.
The fact that they even have a sample one. So this is the milk makeup. Depuff with energizing caffeine. Hydrate with soothing sea water. This is, and it comes in like the little cool balm. And I've been just, I don't know, like the color of it I love. Sleep in a stick. Depuff and hydrate under your eyes. Okay, I'm so excited to try this. And I can already tell you right now, I already know I'm going to love it. So I'm going to have to buy some. Glow Recipe. Ooh, and I fucking love watermelon.
Yes, I know.
And Glow Recipe is a really good brand. Even if I got a bag full of samples, I'm just like,
She's like,
so
samples!
Oh my god. That one looks bomb.
Yes.
Volcanic Ash Mask. Oh my gosh. So that's what I was saying looks bomb.
I have one too. We're going to do one
Heck
later.
yes. I'm so down. Ooh, and then a Revlon eyeshadow palette. Wow,
That's
these
so
look really
cute.
cool looking.
I know you like the lavender lilac, and when you dyed your hair, I was like, it's going to match your hair
Heck
color.
yeah. Wait, is this, oh, they're cream shadows.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, boy.
They're real creamy.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. I don't know if y'all can see that.
It's like her hair color.
God, that's like exactly my...
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
just you wait for the purple look
Just
I'm
you
doing.
wait.
Yes. I'm down. Did you get the same card as me? Welcome to vacation. Happy birthday. Aww.
Is that the same card that you got me?
Yeah. Like in mail, we're like pen pals.
That's so
you know.
funny. Yeah.
Okay, these you totally said you love,
Yeah, they're really
right?
good.
I've never had one before.
They're
Turkish
Turkish
Delights. Lemon flavor, and I am trying one right now.
The powder's gonna get everywhere.
It
Just to
totally
warn
is,
you.
But I'm just gonna like.
I have a vacuum cleaner. It's fine, but like,
Ooh.
just to warn you, you might get powdery.
So I totally did my makeup on the plane, and I baked my face, and I was totally like looking around, making sure no one like got it in their face.
Everybody.
Do you like one?
Nope.
Why?
Because it's gonna get stuck in my teeth.
Oh my god.
My cat is like roaming in the background.
That is so interesting.
Yeah. It's like a not so sweet gummy. But also like in between a gummy and a taffy. And
Yeah.
they're just interesting.
It's like the powdered sugar.
I think it's starch. I don't think it's powdered sugar. I think it's like cornstarch or something like that, so it's not sticky.
Oh, that's weird. But I'm gonna say it's powdered sugar because cornstarch sounds disgusting.
How's that? It's what they put on top of marshmallows to make sure that they don't stick.
Is it?
Yes.
I did not know that. Okay.
Ooh. Yeah, those are good.
Yum and yum. Lemon cream. Freaking yum. And I've
Lemon
been
cream
so...
wafers.
God, and
I
I've
know
been
you like
so
lemon.
into lemon lately.
I know.
She just knows me well.
I love you. That's
These are
all.
getting eat on the plane. Woo. Those are good. Strawberry, watermelon, cherry, and raspberry. Okay, these look bomb as fuck.
Sour Patch straws.
Okay, now these look in... Ooh, I'm excited. Watermelon gummy candy.
They're like the Asian ones, so they're even better. They're so good.
Hold on.
Just like, hold on.
Woo!
Yeah.
Because they have ones... Smell one? They have ones that are... Yep. There's like a...
Squishy round balls. Yum.
Okay.
Super watermelon-y.
Like this is more like actual watermelon instead of really, really artificial. Wow. Okay.
They're good, huh?
I
I love them.
And these I can see Hunter loving too.
Oh, yeah. They're just really, like,
And I
I don't
like...
want to say slimy or slippery, but those are easy, like, for
They're
kids
very,
to,
yes,
choke
and they're
on,
like
kind
that.
of.
Yeah.
Be careful!
Well, do you say to choke on? I actually think they're easy to chew, so I don't think that he would.
They're
really
easy to
choke
chew,
on
but
them,
I'm saying, like, if you just were, like, to swallow.
Yeah.
The canister one next.
This one?
Yeah.
Just got it wrapped, and I have an idea. Yes! Yum! Chocolate? Okay, bitch, just trying some of these.
I know she likes the straws, and I know that
Freaking
you're like, I don't like
yum.
hazelnut as much.
Yeah.
You're like, yeah, it's vanilla, whatever. So I got her the chocolate and the chocolate wafers.
I don't think I've ever
She loves chocolate.
tried the chocolate before. Okay, you open this while I open up the next one.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to try those. That and like hot chocolate sounds so good.
I have hot chocolate over there in my Keurig.
Okay, that's happening.
I know you were talking about on your channel the other day how you can't get the rest of your products out of the bottom of your thing. So, one's for like lotion, conditioner, and then that one you can use for like your makeup stuff.
That is freaking awesome. Even like face mask and stuff too. Like it's always like the bottom or like face wash.
Hey, kitty
my
cat.
Gosh. Yes. Thanks.
You're welcome.
These are best. Such a good idea.
Wow.
Oh my god. I'm gonna have to wash these leggings.
Ow.
So dirty.
Here you go.
Thank you. I gotta open them. Like now.
Right now. She's like, I need the chocolate straw right now.
Like now.
Now.
Oh my god, I can already smell that.
God, it's really chocolatey.
Yeah, heck yeah.
Yum. You got it? You know?
Don't break. I don't want them all to break. You know? It's like slippery. It's nice. I'm like, ooh. Oh yeah. Stardust glitter liner. This definitely must be new. So this is an e.l.f. Stardust glitter liner, shimmery gold, and I'm excited about this. Oh my gosh, yum. Okay. Oh gosh, yeah. Those are rich.
They're really good.
Holy crap. Yeah.
Again, that's what we're eating, and they're so freaking good.
That might have to, like, this is my favorite kind I've ever tried. Where'd you find these? Ross? Ross! Dude! I love Ross. This glitter is so pretty, and it's, like, perfect for fall.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, I'm doing a glitter cut crease with that.
Super cute.
Beesh. Ooh! This one's so pretty!
Ooh! I have the same one, and it has, like, a green tint to it.
Ooh! Oh my god, look how pretty that is.
Mm-hmm. I love it.
Have you, like, tried it on yet?
I have.
I'm, like, having to, like, swatch it.
Oh, yours is, like, the pink back one. Mine's really, really green.
Got, like, foundation on my head. That is so pretty.
Really
and what I love about these is, like, you can totally even, like, put this on the lower lash line, too.
Mm-hmm.
Or put it, I don't know if these are probably not going to be able to see that.
No, probably not.
I'll do a video with them at faux show. This would even be pretty over a black eyeliner.
Ooh, yes.
Yeah, let's make it, like, stand out.
Yes!
Yes! Yes! Oh my god, those chocolate things are so good.
Yeah, I know. It's, like, lingering in your mouth. Like, amazingness.
That just, like, dipped in, like, 5 of them dipped in hot chocolate.
In hot chocolate.
Yes. Ooh! I love trying, like, these from, like, and I saw the Ross thing. I love how she got these because I never, like, get these for myself, but I love sets like this because I love just seeing how they work, you know what I mean? I'm excited! I think I'm gonna do, like, a dedicated video of, like, Ross makeup or TJ Maxx makeup. You know, some people do that. Because they, like, wonder if these are actually good or not.
Yeah, I was curious, and I know you'd be the one to tell me.
Yeah.
And it's, like, all, like, the glow one.
Yeah, because the
which is,
Jasmine LaBelle, like, that brand is usually at, like, a lot of it's at Ross. I'm excited, because I actually I need more of this, because when I just had to throw away because it expired.
That sucks.
So you're the best for getting me one that I actually needed. I like putting, okay, this one first.
It doesn't matter. Both
Okay.
of those are kind of from the same thing. You can open
They're
up
so
the tag,
cute.
because the tag...
It's from Lush?
Yes.
Oh my gosh! Look how cute this packaging is first. I don't even want to open it. It says Buttercup.
Well, you can open the
It's
inside
from
the
Lush.
tag, and it'll show you what's in it. So you don't have to open it.
Oh yeah, so I don't have to open it till I use it?
Yeah, you don't have to.
Honey, I washed the kids' soap. Caress your skin with our softened toffee-scented soap. Oh my god, that's going to smell bomb as fuck. It says, build me up, Buttercup. And then it says, cheer up, Buttercup Bath Bomb. Oh my gosh. Sink into liquid sunshine with the zesty, uplifting scent of lemon, lime, and oh my god, that's going to smell so fucking good. Hey, looks like I'm going to have a huge-ass Lush haul to do. And I'm going to add this one in there, even though you guys already saw it on this video. But I'll actually open this up and show you guys.
Yes.
Because right now I don't want to open it up and then have the background break. And these packaging is just too cute.
Aren't they cute? You'll know when we go in there. They have like a whole wall of like presents.
I love it. And then you can just choose. You just chose one of these? Like these already prepackaged and everything?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay. This says Fresh Fruity Showers Plum Rain Shower Gel. Oh my freaking god. You got me... Wait.
I got you the shower jelly.
Yes.
Which I have a tub of it in there. So if you use the shower, you can use it. It's the
sweet.
Whoosh, like shower jelly. It's so awesome.
Oh my gosh. I've never tried one of their shower gels. I've tried one of their shower body conditioners, I think, and I really liked it.
Ooh.
Oh my
Lush
god.
just has everything that's great. I don't think I have a complaint about anything in Lush. Ever.
Yeah, that's why I'm so excited to freaking go there, because I just thought it was like all natural.
Oh, it's amazing.
Bohemian Soap. Keep things simple with this classic soap loving made with lemon oil. Look at you getting me all lemon stuff. Like, that's going to be so freaking
It's like
awesome.
I had a theme or something.
I know, right? I love it. Oh my gosh, I need to get like a soap dish for like the bathroom though, so I can put out some instead of just always just using
Happy
it.
birthday.
You're so sweet. I love you so much.
I love you.
This makes me like so excited for my box, but so excited for you to open your box.
Yes.
So guys, like I said, we
Yes.
are going to open up our spooky boxes next, but it's going to be on her channel.
Spooky.
So be sure you subscribe.
I like matching.
I know.
We're matching spooks.
But hers looks like so much better because yours hardly hits the sun. We got matching tattoos just because we're awesome like that. Thank you so much for my birthday present.
You're welcome.
I'm so excited. These are so cool. These are going to be eaten, like the whole thing before I leave.
I mean, you needed more snacks.
I did. These are going to be the plane ride back.
The whole thing, the whole.
I'd be like, oh, I feel
like it's popcorn.
Gosh, yum. Okay, well, we're going to end this video. Thank you guys for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Sure
Hit
you
her like button.
Yes.
Subscribe to her. Come over to my channel and see her other videos while she's out here.
Heck yeah. You guys have to subscribe to my best friend because
Yes.
she's the best ever.
Please.
And plus, you have to see what I got her for our spooky box swap because I just want you guys to see her reaction. Anyway, talk to you guys later. Bye. I always love how